everyone, it's, oh, I'm gonna get so mad because it's just a place. Oh, I'm gonna get so mad. I just need to relax a second. Just relax a second. Hey everyone, it's Darlene here, and I'm here to do my Boxycharm unboxing for August 2019, and we'll just jump right into this. So I've already opened it. I'm wearing everything that's in this box on my face today. So I have already opened it and used the products, but to me it's easier to do that. And if you want to see how I created this look, I am going to upload another video. It's just easier so that you don't have to watch that if you don't want to, if you just want to see what's in this box. First things first, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. It's $21 a month and you get 5 to 6 full-size items, and it retails for over $100. Also want to add, they also have a Boxy Luxe, which is just an upgrade to the Boxycharm, and it's an I believe it's every 3 months, and it's an extra $28.99 on top of the $21, so it comes out to $49.99 total. So that's only every 3 months, but you do not have to upgrade if you do not want to. So throwing that out there. This month's theme was totally Boxycharm. How cute is that? I love the pink. And I got variation. It doesn't even say this month. Oh, number 2. You can tell because it has a 2 with a heart beside it. So I got variation number 2, in case you're seeing the stuff that I have and you're like, I didn't get what she got. We don't always get the same thing. They have different variations. My variation is number 2. And the first thing that we received in this month's Boxycharm is the Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder, and it retails for $39. It's a weightless powder, and I love this stuff. I've never tried anything like this. It almost felt like I dipped my brush in water and then in powder and put it on my face. I was like, is my brush wet? I was like, hold on. It was really nice. And I did find it to cover my pores. It, like, once I added it, it looked like my pores were reduced. It's really cool. So this is $39. It does not look like it's full, and I've noticed this a lot of times when I get stuff from Boxycharm. It claims to be full size, but I notice that they don't always fill it up, because this is like my Laurent Mercier, which I've been using, but you see the difference. Like, that's full to the brim, and this, like, it's not completely full. Like, there's like a centimeter missing out of there. I don't know if you can tell, but to me that's like, if it's full size, say it's full size. If it's not, you know, don't go skimpy on us, you know. I know, I'm not complaining. It was only $21, but it would have been nice to have it all the way full at least. But yeah, this is a really unique product, and I'm so glad that we got it in this month's box because it's really good. But if it's really not that full, I don't know if I would spend $40. As unique as it is, I like the Coty Airspun powder. It's, to me, it's just as good as the Laurent Mercier, and it's like $9, and it's like 2 of these. It literally lasts you forever. So to me, that would be like, that would be a better purchase if you know you don't want to spend a lot of money, because the Airspun also gives coverage on top. I get naturally neutral. If you get the translucent, it probably won't give you any coverage, but the naturally neutral actually gives you coverage as well. Okay, enough with me blabbering. The next thing that's in the box is the Wonder Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil, which is this, and it retails for $42, which is insane. I mean, it was nice. It made my skin a little tacky. I didn't see that it covered any pores or anything putting this on, but I did. To me, it kind of reminds me of, you know, when the trend of the Nivea, the aftershave man's cream, it made your skin a little tacky. That's what it did. But to me, I would honestly rather buy that, because I think that's like $5. This is $42. I don't know if, I know I would never spend $42 on this. So that's kind of steep, but it worked good. As you can see, I'm gonna show you. It's like pink, and it's supposed to give you just like an illuminating glow. It kind of feels a little gritty, like almost like the glitter that's inside of it, but it doesn't actually pick up. Like it has glitter, but it doesn't pick up. So, and it's just like a little, like a slight fresh scent, but it's not, nothing overpowering. So yeah, $42. Next thing that's in the box is Tarte Big Ego Mascara. I'm wearing it on my eyelashes today. I'll go ahead and zoom in. As you can see, very pretty. And it's hard to actually give a mascara a good review on the first try, like the first time you use it, because usually mascaras actually work better the longer you use it. I'm actually using an eyelash growth serum right now, so that's why my eyelashes look a little bigger. They're gonna get a lot longer because I love this eyelash growth serum, and I'll be doing a whole review. I'm also using brow growth serum. I actually got it sent to me to test out, to review, and they're gonna pay me, but I'll do a whole review on that later for you guys, because I'm still in the process. I'm taking pictures, I'm vlogging, so I'll keep you updated. Okay, so, oh, I have to show you the packaging on this. How, so beautiful. How cute is that? It's pink with gold writing, and it's Big Ego Tart. Super cute. I love this. It's like almost the color of my nails. So yes, and this retails for $23. So that's amazing. But honestly, I've noticed with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, like it feels empty. Like it doesn't feel like there's a lot of product in there. So I'm wondering if a lot of companies that are giving to Boxycharm are not giving us full size, because I thought that about the Better Than Sex mascara, and that literally didn't last me any time. Like I know the difference. Like I've bought mascaras and stuff, and normally they're full, and these, like, you can tell it's not, they did not fill it all the way. So I don't know why they're doing that. Next thing that's in the box is these Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow Duo, and it retails for $25. So I got the shade Cotton Candy and Ice Latte, and I'm wearing Ice Latte on my eyelids today, and I just used a little bronzer to blend it in. It's really pretty, really fresh and spring. Though we're almost in winter. So this is Cotton Candy. You can see it's really pretty. It has like chunky glitter. Oh, I hate flies. It has like chunky glitters. I was thinking it would be a cute blush, but then I noticed the glitter that's inside of it, and I'm like, maybe not so much. I'm not really big on chunky glitter. So yes, it's a really pretty color. I think it's more like a spring color though. Eyeshadow topper. And the next one is the Ice Latte. It's what I'm wearing on my eyes today. Look how pretty that shade is. It's a nice bronzy shade. So great for summer. As you can see, really pretty. And it does have chunky glitter too, but it looks really pretty on the eyes. And the last thing that was in this month's box is this Steve Laurent lip liner. It retails for $15. And it looks like, I was thinking it was going to be like this color. It's actually the color that's at the tip, because I was thinking it was going to be like this color. It's actually exactly like this tip color, as you can see. And I'm wearing it on my lips today. I actually put it all over the lips, and then I just topped it with a lip gloss and made it look like a lipstick. It's really pretty. More like a berry shade instead of a brown. I don't know what it said the color was actually. I don't even know if it says. Vogue. So that's the name of the shade, is Vogue. But it's really pretty. It goes really well with these eyeshadows that came in the palette. It's a really pretty look, I think, that I created. And that was the last thing in this month's box. As you can see, this month's box retailed for $144, which is amazing. I always say this, you paid $21 and you got $144 worth of product. Although they weren't full, as I've been showing you, this one actually feels full. This is pretty full. But the other ones, like eyeshadows, you really can't fake that. But this and this, the brands that actually are all the hype, I don't think they're actually full size. I think they kind of go skimpy on the products. But other than that, I'm very satisfied with this month's box. I thought it was a great value, and yeah, so that completes this video. If you haven't already, please like this video, subscribe, and let me know what other videos you would like to see me post. I've been doing a lot of DIY, so I don't know if you guys want to see stuff like that, but I've been making some beautiful items, and I would like to share it with you guys. If that's something that you guys would like to see, comment down below and let me know. Or if you just like the makeup videos, let me know. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, God bless.